And then we're gonna make it. Okay. Hi guys! Today we are making candy floss cupcakes. You can make these cupcakes for summer parties or birthday parties. Yeah? So your first thing you have to do is preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. And then line a cupcake tray with 12 cupcake liners. And the recipe, you can find it in a description box below. Yeah, so let's get started.
Okay. Shall I bring the candy floss? Can you bring the candy floss? That's one.
No, that's after, yeah? So you have to add the sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And add
The baking powder.
the baking powder.
Very good. Yeah.
And
The salt.
the salt.
Yeah.
And then
And then the milk. You want me to help you? Wow.
and this one. Are you gonna put?
And add the olive oil.
Yeah. Wow, so cool. Now shall I mix it?
Now we have to add some vanilla extract.
Shall you open it up? Can you open it? Shall we do it like that? Shall we do it
And
like
then 2
that?
teaspoons.
Yep. Just one.
Just fill up the... Yeah, one. And then one more. One more.
It tastes like candy floss.
It's vanilla.
It tastes like
But we're gonna make the candy floss, yeah?
Now shall I mix it?
No, and then we need to add
Add
1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Yeah? It's vinegar. It doesn't smell good.
No.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh.
So while the cupcakes are cooling down, we can start prepare the buttercream. Yeah. so we have butter here.
And then sugar here.
And then we add the
Sugar.
icing sugar.
Icing sugar.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Just more. It's so cool in here. Go. How do you? You can put it in, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You can put it here.
Mm-hmm. Slowly.
And you wash your little trick.
Oh no. Don't say nothing.
Why? It's one mouth to them.
Yeah. Okay, you can put it in. Very good.
And more?
And then one more.
Okay. Just the last one, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now that's enough.
Mm-hmm.
And now can you give me some?
Also, we're gonna add some vanilla extract. 2 teaspoons. And then for the flavor, we're gonna add some candy floss extract.
Okay. Smell it. That's enough. Should I put this one?
So we're gonna mix it now in an electric mixer, and then you start on a low speed and gradually increase the speed.
God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love. You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can
frost the cupcakes.
We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're out of tight and you. I got you.
You got me, got me. You got me, got me.
Okay, so now the cupcakes are done. So we're gonna mix some candy floss on the top. This is a vegan candy floss. Yeah.
You got me too. Got me, got me.
I've been saving you. And you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you.
And you got me too. Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chase.